Good morning. It's Carpet Cleaner Trainer with Dreddy again, back at you with another video, guys. Thanks for rocking with me. You know it's a small channel, but you know what? Baby steps. Look, subscribe, like, share. Okay? Please do that for your brother, man. So, you're gonna see us deal with two things: where to dump, and basically where does all that gunk and dirt go from your carpet, because it has to go somewhere, you know what I mean? So it goes in here. This is our dump tank. This is where all the water goes, and we let it out through here. And then not only that, there's a screen that goes in here. All right, and that screen is what captures any kind of pennies, crayons, little, the dirt, the dust and dirt that goes there, and the water. So check it out, enjoy. Thanks for coming back, rocking with me, man. Peace. The best place to dump is in the grass. Try to always dump in the grass, people. Yes. Hopefully you guys have a good morning. Had a really big clean I had to do. Now we're gonna go to the next one. Hey.